Welcome to a journey through tech history, told from the pages of our very own past. As a lifetime member of both the Central Florida Computer Society and the Sarasota Technology User Group, I've had the privilege of accessing newsletters from those incredible communities dating all the way back to the 1980s. Tucked away in those pages are gems of nostalgia, surprising predictions, long forgotten tools, and timeless advice. In this series, we'll revisit standout articles and moments from the archives, sometimes insightful, sometimes amusing, and always a reminder of how far we've come in the world of computing. Let's discover the roots of our digital evolution one story at a time. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey back to 1995, a time when the information superhighway was the buzzword of the moment, and America stood on the edge of a digital revolution. Drawing from a fascinating article in the May 1995 issue of the Sarasota PC Monitor, this presentation reflects on the hopes, hesitations, and surprising realities of early internet adoption. We'll explore what people expected, what actually happened, and how far we've come 30 years later. I'm Huey Poplock. This is the article that we're going to be talking about. We're looking back at 1995, when the so-called information superhighway was the buzzword for the future of technology. There was so much excitement, but this study questioned whether people were actually ready to embrace it. IMR Research surveyed thousands of households and found surprisingly low interest in the technologies we thought would take off. These were the three big services companies hoped would drive adoption, but Americans weren't as enthusiastic as expected. Even though video on demand was hyped, most people still preferred going to the video store to rent movies. Despite the rise of shopping channels, the majority of Americans didn't shop this way. Online growth looked impressive percentage wise, but actual usage numbers were still very low. People felt overwhelmed by the complexity. Using the internet felt more like research than entertainment. The challenge wasn't just the content, it was making technology easy enough for everyone to use. This was a key insight. Early adopters don't always represent the general public. Looking back, we see how long it actually took for those visions to come true and how key accessibility was. In closing, the lessons of 1995 remind us that technology needs to meet users where they are, not where developers hope they will be. This has been Remembering 30 Years Ago, the early days of the information superhighway, from the pages of the Sarasota PC Monitor of May 1995. I'm Huey Poplock.